Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sri Nur Hamdani. In this time, I would like to present the material with the title The Influence of Language Acquisition and Proficiency on Cognitive Intelligence. Background. Language plays an important role in human life because language is means of human communication in everyday life. With language, a person can convey ideas, thoughts, feelings, or information to other people, either orally in writing. Darjo Wijoyo states that language acquisition is the process of language mastery carried out by children naturally when they learn their mother tongue. Language mastery, on the other hand, is a person's ability to use language fluently and appropriately in various communication contexts. In educational context, it is important to understand how language acquisition and mastery can influence an individual's intelligence and way of thinking. Problem statement. The problem statements for this material or this paper are: how does the process of language acquisition in children take place? What are factors that influence second language acquisition? How does language acquisition and language mastery affect an individual's intelligence and way of thinking? And for purpose of the paper or this material, the purpose of this material are: explain the process of language acquisition in children, identify the factors that influence second language acquisition, and analyze the influence of language acquisition and language mastery on intelligence and ways of thinking. A. The process of language acquisition in children. First, stages of language acquisition in children. Several experts, including Tarigan and Subyakto, divide the development of children's language acquisition into three stages, namely pre-linguistic stages, linguistic stage, and the last is complete competency stage. Pre-linguistic stage can be further broken down into the first pre-linguistic stage, the second pre-linguistic stage, and for linguistic stage can also be divided into the first language stage, the second linguistic stage, the third linguistic stage, and the fourth linguistic stage. The last stage is complete competency stage. In children, language acquisition is the phase where they have mastered the language skills necessary to communicate effectively and understand various social contexts. Factors that influence the success of language acquisition in children. The success of language acquisition in children is influenced by various interacting factors. These factors include genetics, cognitive maturity, social environment, and education and learning. Genetics. Children have a genetic predisposition to learn language. Cognitive maturity. Children's brain develop and cognitive abilities influence their ability to understand and produce language. Social environment. The interaction with adult is frequent and quality interaction with adults who speak the language the child uses helps language acquisition, while interaction with peer children is playing and communicating with children of the same age is also important for developing social language skills. And the last, education and learning. Formal education or schools and early childhood education programs play an important role in teaching language through a structured curriculum. The next is factors that influence second language acquisition. There are age, environment and habits, influence of the first language on the second language, and the last, motivation. Age. Sayekti 2001 said that a child's language acquisition process takes place effectively at the age of under 5 years or toddler. This process gradually continues following the development of age and experience. For environment and habits, theories that are very influential of the acquisition of language acquisition in an environment are the theory of behaviorism and the theory of cognitism. According to behaviorist theory, language can be acquired and mastered due to habitual factors. And then the basic concept of behaviorism theory is based on assumption that after birth a person has nothing. So that is language acquisition. The environment plays a very important role. In other words, it is the environment that contributes a lot of person being able to acquire language. The next is influence of the first language on the second language. The structure of the first language that has been patterned in the learner's mind in many cases influences the acquisition of the second language. Motivation. One of the factors that influence second language acquisition is motivation. With strong motivation, second language learners will try to acquire a second language. Next, the influence of language acquisition and language mastery on intelligence and ways of thinking. Children's cognitive development is closely related to language acquisition because basically the stages leading to the language competency process are allowed by cognitive or thought development. Language mastery can be obtained from reading habits and critically in understanding reading. Reading habits need to carry out to enrich the language repertoire for written material. Language mastery has a significant impact on creativity and problem solving. Good language skills provide essential tools for thinking innovatively and finding solutions to challenges. The last chapter is closing. Conclusion. Early language acquisition plays an important role in children's cognitive development. Language is not only means of communication, but also the foundation for a variety of more complex cognitive abilities. The influence of language mastery on intelligence and ways of thinking, namely, good language mastery allows individuals to think analytically and critically, decipher complex information, and make decisions based on in-depth analysis, and good language skills support problem solving in a more effective way, including understanding in-depth problem and so on. Suggestions. It is recommended that educational curricula integrate comprehensive and continuous language learning. Literacy programs that focus on language learning from an early age can help strengthen children's cognitive foundation and critical thinking skill. I think that's all from me. Thank you.